the land's electronics leader.
They said it couldn't be done. But now, from the producers of Kentucky Fried Chicken comes Kentucky Nuggets. With a taste so incredibly good, people keep coming back for more.
Jonathan, I want more!
Kentucky Nuggets. Juicy pieces of chicken coated in the Colonel's herbs and spices. A taste like no other nugget with or without sauce. A taste that's sweeping the country. Kentucky Nuggets. Now appearing at a store near you.